Hey guys, welcome to the sixth video in this tutorial series on version control. So in the previous video, I had showed you how you can add files to staging. In this video, I'm going to show you the reverse process, that is how you can remove files from staging. Now keep in mind, once you remove untracked files from staging, you're going to be removing them from your working directory too, because as I've mentioned earlier, that the files basically are tracked under different logs. So once you add a file to staging, it is removed from the working directory. So let's get started. So the command is git rm. I'm gonna write file.txt. Oops, what was that? It throws an error because this file has been set for being tracked and it has some changes which are not in the index, which basically means that this file does not exist in the Git repository. However, since I want to remove this file, I'm going to force Git to do it. For that, we're going to use the force flag. -f indicates that no matter what happens, I want to perform the particular operation. Notice how the file disappeared from my working directory. So that's it for removing files from staging, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe.